Welcome, my dear students, to Electrical Technology Laboratory. Now I demonstrate the experiment on characteristics of fluorescent lamps and compact fluorescent lamps. First I show you the connection of this experiment. You see the circuit diagram. From this circuit diagram you understand that here two ammeters, two voltmeters, one wattmeter and one variac, that means auto transformer, are required. Now I show you the auto transformer and all the indicating instruments. First you see the variac, then you see the voltmeter, one voltmeter here, you see the wattmeter, you see the another ammeter, another voltmeter and another milliampere. Okay, so you see that all the instruments are placed on the table such that you can see the reading perpendicularly. Okay, now I show you the connection. How do you connect one instrument to another? Okay, from here what you see the variac is connected to M terminal of wattmeter. I show you that here from variac it is connected to M terminal, and M and C is to be connected by external wire, and here you see that M and C are connected by external wire. Okay. Next what you see, L terminal is connected to T1 terminal of fluorescent lamp. Here L terminal is connected to T1 terminal of fluorescent lamp. Okay. Then what you see, T2 terminal is connected to ammeter, one ammeter, which is connected to starter. So T2 terminal is connected to one terminal of ammeter. Here it is connected at COM. Okay, and another terminal is connected to starter. Here 1 ampere I can use here. 1 ampere is connected to starter terminal ST1, and ST1 is connected to T4. Here ST2 is connected to T4. Now what you see, the T3 is connected to choke. Here T3 is connected. Here T3 is connected to. Okay, sorry. Here T3. Here this T3 is connected to here choke. Okay, is connected to choke. It is the analog. It is the electromagnetic choke. Okay, and another terminal of choke is connected to another ammeter. Here it is the main ammeter. It is milliampere. And this wire is connected from choke to one terminal of ammeter, and this another terminal is connected to voltage terminal of wattmeter here. So here this ammeter is connected to another one terminal of wattmeter, and this terminal is also connected to variac. So now here, so these one is connected to variac. Okay, and you see that the voltmeter is connected across the variac. So here the voltmeter is connected across the variac. This is the one terminal of voltmeter, and another terminal of voltmeter is connected to variac. And here I can select 300 volt because the supply voltage to the fluorescent lamp should be 220 volt or 230 volt. Okay, that's why I can select here 300 volt. Okay, and another voltmeter is connected across the fluorescent lamp. Just you see here, so this voltmeter is connected to T1 and this terminal is connected to T3. So this is the connection of fluorescent lamp. Okay, so now I show you how do you perform the experiment. Okay, at first I increase the voltage by here slightly and check it there is sudden deflection or not. Okay, so you see that there is no sudden deflection, that means you understand there is no short circuit or there is no wrong connection. So now slightly you increase the voltage and you can observe the fluorescent lamp. Now slightly increase the voltage. So the voltmeter gives the reading of voltage and we understand how much voltage is applied to the fluorescent lamp. So slightly I increase the voltage and also I increase the voltage gradually. When it is near 160, I can slowly increase the voltage. Just to see that the ionization process started and the fluorescent lamp is flickering. Just you see here that. So here I can use the 300 volt scale. So the upper reading of this voltmeter you have to take. So here the upper reading is here 200 volt. Okay. So now I can record the 200 volt. 200 volt is the starting voltage. So now I can record the starting voltage equal to 200 volt. Okay. Okay, so now I can do again, then you can understand that the process. Okay, I can return back the variac to 0 position. You can wait for few minutes, then I start again. Okay students, now I again start the experiment. Okay, now I increase the voltage gradually. You observe the fluorescent lamp. And when it is around 180, now I slowly increase the voltage. You see that the flickering is started. And you see that the ammeter reading, voltmeter reading are fluctuating. Just you see that. All readings are fluctuating. Okay, now here I observe also the ammeter reading which is connected to the starter. You see that the how much reading in the ammeter connected with starter. So it can go up to near 4.4. All the readings. Now here it is 198. So first time you can read 200. Now you can read 198 volt. So around 200 you can get it. So you can take the average. So it may be 199. It may be 199 volt and the ammeter reading is 0.4 ampere. Ammeter reading equal to 0.4 ampere. Okay, and after glowing of the fluorescent lamp, you see the ammeter reading is 0. It is before striking. and ammeter reading equal to 0 ampere. It is after striking. Okay. Okay. Now I slowly increase the voltage in regular steps and note down all the readings. Okay. So now here what you see is 200 volts. I can record all the readings. So here supply voltage is 200 volts. Yes, supply voltage equal to 200 volt. Supply voltage 200 volt. Then wattage equal to how much reading it is? It is 12. No, it is 14, near 14. Near 14 into 2. It is 14 into 2 watt by 2. Here you see that the B1 and B2 are connected by the metal strips, and you see that here I connect 300 volt, and if you see the rating of the wattmeter, that you see the rating of the wattmeter, here the current is 1 ampere because B1 and B2 are connected, and here I connect here 300 volt, so the multiplying factor here 2, so that's why the actual reading of wattmeter is 14 into 2 watt. Okay, now you see the ammeter reading started, that is 0, and here it is the voltage across the fluorescent lamp, and this voltage is how much, just to observe. Here it is 300 volt is connected, so lower reading, no, upper reading, so that means it is 140 volt. So the lamp voltage equal to 140 volt, and now I observe the main current. Here main current is, I have to observe, here it is 150, 60, 70, 75, 77. The line current 177 milliampere. Okay, so now I increase the voltage slightly and check all the readings. So here I increase the voltage and you can reach 210 volt. So here is 210 volt. So now we get the reading of wattage. Here it is 10, 12, 14, 16 into 2 watt, and the lamp voltage, here lamp voltage, here it is 137, here it is 137 volt, and the line current, here it is 209 milliampere. Next I increase the voltage. Now it is 220 volt. Just I write here 220 volt and check the reading of wattage. Here it is 18. Here it is 18 into 2 watt, and lamp voltage thirty-five, 135 volt, and the line current here 10, 20 to 30. 230 milliampere. Okay, now here it is 230 volt. Okay, it is 230 volt. So now it is 230 volt, and check the wattage. Here it is 19 on near 20, near 20, 20 into 2 watt, and here current, no, voltage is here 130, 132 volt, and the current is here 260 milliampere. Okay, it is for increasing voltage. It is for increasing voltage. Now I repeat this experiment when we go for decreasing the voltage. Okay, now I decrease the voltage and check all the readings. Okay, so first you see the voltage, main supply voltage, it is 230 volt. So now I write here 230 volt, and then the reading of wattage is 10, 20 watt, 20 into 2, 20 into 2 watt. And now I see the voltage across fluorescent lamp, that is 130 volt. That is 130 volt, and I have to see the line current, so that is 260 milliampere. 260 milliampere. Now I decrease the voltage. Here I set the voltage 220 volt and check all the readings. Okay, now it is 220 volt. Now I check the reading of wattage. Here it is 10, 20, 18. Here it is 18 into 2 watt. Now I see the lamp voltage. Here lamp voltage is 120, 130, 133. Yes, 133 volt. And now I see the line current. Here line current is 200, 210, 220, 230, 35. Okay, 235 milliampere. Now I decrease the voltage again. Now it is 210 volt. I see the wattage reading. Here it is 16 into 2, 16 to 2 watt. Okay, now I see the lamp voltage. Lamp voltage here 130, 136, 136 volt. Now I see the line current. Here line current is 210 milliampere. Again I decrease the voltage. Now the voltage is here 200. Okay, I note down 200 volt. Now I see the wattage reading. Here 12, no, 14. Here it is 14 into 2 watt. Now I check the lamp voltage 130, 138 volt. 138 volt. Now I see the line current. Here line current 160, 70, 180, 184, 184 milliampere. Again I decrease the voltage. Now it is 190 volt. Now here it is 190 volt. Okay, check the what is reading. Here it is 12. 12 into 2 watt. Next I check the lamp voltage. Here it is 141. 141 volt. Now I check the line current. Here line current is here 150. It is 150. Okay, again I decrease the voltage. Now it is 180 volt. Here it is 180 volt. Check the watt is reading. Here it is 10. Here it is 10 into 2 watt. Now I check the lamp voltage. Now here it is 144. 144. Now I check the line current. Here it is 110, 115, 14, 114. Again I decrease the voltage. Now here it is 170 volt. 170 volt, and check the wattage. Here it is 6, not 6, 2, 4, 5. One minute, 2 watt. Next, I check the lamp voltage. Here it is 150, 149 volt. Now I check the line current. Line current here it is 75 milliampere. Now I have to decrease the voltage very cautiously, because if I decrease the voltage beyond a certain limit, then the lamp goes off. So we have to decrease the voltage very cautiously. Yes. Okay. At what voltage the bulb extinguishes, you have to observe. Okay, just it is 164. At 164 the lamp blows off. I can note down here the extinguishing voltage. Extinguishing voltage 164 volt. Okay, again I have to do this experiment, then check it at what voltage it extinguishes. After that we can make the average. But start now. Okay, now I start for decreasing the voltage. Okay, so already I got the reading when I decrease the voltage. Just I can verify this, it is coming or not. Okay, it is now at 230 volt, and all the readings are basically the same reading what we got earlier. Okay, here it is 20. That's okay. So every readings are coming same. So now I check at what voltage the lamp goes off. That is the important. I decrease the voltage and note down the extinguishing voltage. So now it is now near 180. Now I decrease the voltage slowly. And note the voltage when the lamp goes off. Slowly decrease the voltage. Now here it is 158 volt. So first case it is 164. Now it is 158 volt. So if you take the average, then it is coming 162 volt. Average is 164. So around 164 you can get the voltage for extinguishing of the lamp. 158 volt, the lamp glows off, but